Remove the 4 fasteners holding the center resonator brackets on. Remove the 4 fasteners holding the brackets near the rear subframe. Remove the 2 rear hangers and lower the exhaust. Remove the 3 fasteners holding the front heat shield. Remove the 8 fasteners holding the rear heat shield. Remove the 2 bolts holding the OEM carrier on, and then flip the carrier upside down, and then re-bolt it up to hold it in place. Make 2 cuts on the carrier frame around 4 and 8 o'clock. Then we'll cut away the rubber that holds the bearing to the carrier, which will allow us to release the drive shaft from the OEM carrier. Use a razor blade to cut the rest of the way around, separating the bearing from the carrier frame completely. Now use the razor blade to come through and cut away what's left of the center rib. We're going to leave the base layer of rubber intact. Bring the top half of the new carrier up with the bushing already installed in it. The text goes forward. In this case, this is a prototype unit. It had actually had the text on the wrong side. So text forward, then you're going to bring the bottom half up to meet it. Use an Allen wrench to connect the two together. As you're tightening up the Allen bolts, go back and forth so that the bolts don't bind in the holes. Now take your bolt with the fender washer, go up through an isolation damper pointing up, put that up through the carrier foot, then bring another isolation damper down from the top, and then add your small washer on the very top, and then go up into the body. Same thing on the other side, bolt with the fender washer, isolation damper pointing up, go through the carrier, bring another isolation damper down from the top, put your small washer on the very top, and go up into the body.